Real quick, I'm finna do this new style that I got from, inspired by this girl named Courtney. She on TikTok and Instagram and now on YouTube, but this the hair I'm gonna be using. So this is Bobbi Boss King Tips. This the body wave, 28 inches 3X. And then I got some Expressions hair. Now this is 38 inches. So yeah, some Kanekalon hair. So both in the color number 2. Let's try it. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and honestly, I hate it. I hate it. So we gotta add a little bit more hair. I'm looking here, I'm looking there, because I'm doing a TikTok too content. But basically, you guys, what I do, I take a little bit of Kanekalon hair, right? And then I'm gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna split it, and then I take it, China Jam on my natural hair, get it good and saturated. And then I take this. So I like to pull it through like this as opposed to pulling it through like this. It's just easier. Just watch how easy it's gonna be. So I'm gonna take that, put the hair in there, take the little end of the hair, pull it through. Bam. So easy. It took me years to figure that out, guys. Okay. So I have this. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna wrap it once. And then I'm going to take, I'm gonna make 3, my own hair, and 3 of the Kanekalon, 2 of the Kanekalon strands. And I'm gonna just braid. And I'm gonna do this probably about 5 times. I'm gonna make sure my hair, let me turn this. I'm gonna make sure my hair is on the end, right? And then I'm gonna add my other piece. I'm going to put it here. I'm gonna make sure my hair is on there. I'm gonna make sure I have 3 now, right? So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start braiding. Gotta make sure I have 3 though, which is a bit of a process to learn, but I got it. So now I have 3. I have 3. So I'm going to take my hair, I'm going to take this hair, put it in my mouth, and then I'm going to grab the Bobbi Boss hair. That way it didn't unravel, like, well, it literally just did, but that way it doesn't unravel. And I'm going to take it, add it. Now you got to be careful with this part because I've lost hair. But I'm going to take it and just braid it in. Now, when you get to the end, you can add glue to the end wherever you, however far down you want it to go, or you can knot it. I don't feel like doing the glue, so I'm gonna just knot it. And I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. You literally just going to take it . This is about where I want it to go, so I'm going to stop. Take a little piece. Make it be small, because if you don't, it's going to be hella obvious. Take a little small piece of hair like this. Take it. You literally going to make a knot. So I'm going to take that. Hold up. I got on nails, which is the worst to try to braid, but there we go. You make a knot. If you want to, you can cut that little part. It'll be secure. And there we go. Okay, so this is what we have right now, right? It's kind of blah. So remember I told y'all, if y'all got those little parts that's sticking out like that, you can literally just cut it. You can cut it out and it'll stay knotted. All right, we gotta spice this up, okay? Because it's looking very meh. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add the wavy parts and make it be more fuller. I should have added more braids, but however, this is what we got. So I'm literally just going to take a part and I am going to, see, I'm gonna put that and I'm gonna just add them sporadically, you know. I'm gonna just take one strand. Just like that. One strand, and I'm gonna add it throughout, okay? So I got this other strand.